Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a popular LeetCode problem, Palindrome Number, and we will do it step by step in Java. Let's start with the problem and logic and then jump into the code. First, you have given an integer x. You have to return true if x is a palindrome, meaning it reads the same forward and backward. Like you see the example as an example number 1 to 1. It reads same from forward and backward, like you check this number from backward also it is same as original one. That's And as we see, the another number is 10, like we see as forward and backward, then it will always return true. It will always return false because it is not same as original one. And if there is a single digit, it is always return true. Now we need to reverse the number and compare it with the original. If both match, it's a palindrome. But there is one condition. We cannot convert the number into a string. So no string builder, no caret, nothing like that. Instead, we will use basic math operations. Before we reverse the number, we must check for these cases, like negative number. Palindrome cannot be negative because the minus sign. So if x is less than 0, always return false. And second one is number ending with 0, like 10 reversed is 0 1, which is not valid. So if x percentile 10 is equal to 0 and x is not equal to 0, always return false. Now we will extract digits from the right using percentile 10 and build the reverse number. For example, x is equal to 121. In first step, we by percentile 10 we separate the number from last and add to the reversed one, or add to the reversed integer, like 1 to 1 divisor 10 is equals to 1 1 add to the reversed one. In step 2 there is left 12. After divisor 10 by 12 there is a number 2 which is also add to the reversed one. And in step 3 there is a 1, or there is a one number 1 divisor 10. When we divisor by 10 is equals to 1 is left, so that one is also add to the reversed one. And now we compare 1 to 1 with original, which is true. This is the approach we are using. So now we go to the code and we implement this. So now we see we are taking in temp to store the last digit of x during reversal, and then next we take a res is equals to 0 to store the reverse number. And negative numbers are not palindrome because the minus sign. So if x is less than 0, we return false, as you know. And after that we take an original number, means we have to store the original number to compare later. After that we reverse the number by applying the while loop. We first get the last. In first line, we, as you see, temp is equals to x percentile 10, which is to get the last digit. And in next you see it is for append it to the reverse number, to append the number to the reverse number. And at last we remove the last digit from x, as you see in explanation. And at last, if the original number is equal to the reverse, it's a palindrome, and else other number is false, return. That's all. If and That's how you solve the palindrome number problem in Java using a math-based approach. The time complexity of this code is O log n and space complexity is O log 1. If this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for more DS and LeetCode explanations. Comment below if you want the optimized version or want this in Python too. Thanks for watching and keep coding.